Chinese is resorting to different kind of tactics. Nandiyan yung bullying, pati na rin yung kasi they understand the importance of propaganda. Kasi it puts legitimacy to their illegal claim. Sinasabi nila, nag-agree na kami at saka ang Pilipinas, so why are you acting this way? Why are you changing our agreement? Parang ganun yung pinapakita nila para at least may semblance of nagpag-usapan na pala yan. Bakit we have the right to, to push back all your, yung mga, kung ano man yung mga resupply missions dyan, forwarding their illegal claim. Ang nakakasakit lang po dito as a citizen of this country, there are portion in our society that also double down on the narrative, the wrong narrative of China. Parang sila yung they act as the mouthpiece of China. Doon ako medyo nagagalit eh. I think it's very clear ang position ng ating president, ang ating gobyerno that we have to fight for our claim. At hindi lang ito arbitrarily claimed by the Philippines. This a basis for this is the ruling of the UNCLOS. And internationally, we have the moral high ground to claim these areas in the West Philippine Sea. So doon ako na medyo nasasaktan dahil may mga kasamahan po tayo, segments in our society, or also becoming apologists for China, becoming, the mouthpieces. The worst is they become mouthpieces of China. Double down nila yung lahat ng claim ng illegal claims ng China. Dapat po sa ganitong usapin, we have to side with our own. We have to side with anybody whose position really is to protect our interest, our national interest. Dapat doon po tayo pumanig sa kapwa natin. Dapat doon po tayo pumanig sa mga taong ang kanilang interes at protektahan ang ating teritorya at soberenya.